Happy New Year and welcome once again to the Seattle Keyboard Meetup. I don't know what to say.
You like my packaging?
I do like your packaging. But this time I brought lots of keyboards. So let's see what Merlin has in his bag. Of course, there's the standard wizard hat.
Because like 2 years ago, he was like, you should try it.
And bunch of grab bag caps that my wife told me I need to give away. So there's that. And people's Island orders. I was in charge of the Seattle local group buy, so I have to give them out now. You there?
I'll take some.
You'll take some. Fancy meeting you here. Okay, that's you. And let's see, what's the other? You want Helios, right? There you go. That was not scripted at all. He just happened to be there. And I decided to bring keyboards that I have been reviewing on my channel or plan to review. And this is my TX case, but it does not have my TX60 in it. Instead, it has, let's see, the XD84 with DZ60 in it. I use this to win the QMK challenge, which led up to me winning the clue board. Okay, let's see. What else? What else do I have here? No. This is a case from Flash Quark. It fits your typical 60% such as pokers, and I have a poker-like board inside. Let's see. And what else do I have? Oh yes, I've got this board. It's the HS60 with Otemu Skies. Very clacky, very rattly. And last but not the least, the board that I actually made for my wife. It's a Magic Force 68 that I upgraded with a Tragic Force PCB and alias switches and cat caps, or cat profile caps.
So I think.
I brought today. So I have 3 with me right now. 2 are split keyboards, 1 is an ergo keyboard. I like keyboards that have light shows in them, and so these are really cool because these are translucent keycaps, and so when this is on you can really see the different colorful lights and patterns. This one was actually my first keyboard and it's my favorite. It's a Mistel Baraka with cherry clears, and my manager at work said that this was the drug lord of keyboards because I have gold keycaps on them and it just looks really, really cool and really hardcore. And then this one was the newest one I've gotten, and I am not used to typing on it quite yet. And so I'm practicing with this, but this is an Ergodox keyboard with cherry clears as well.
How do you feel about that board?
I would be down for that.
The switches feel really nice.
It's like waiting forever. Like, when is this going to switch? Like, okay, it's going. It's going.
It's funny, I was interested and I was lined up twice. Yeah. And it's like, I'll just try it.
So this is the This is the DC60 with a standard GH60 PCB and standard aluminum plate. It's using the first group buy of Xilinx, which I really love, and that's the reason I have. It's partly the reason I haven't gone into the V2 Xilinx group buy. The keycaps here are from KBD Fans XDA. They're really cheap. $60 would cover up to a 65%. They really have nice colors and really clean legends.
Is it like on par with GMK yet, or still a bit?